Hello everyone, for today's video, we're going to teach you how to get the free blue blank note na 270k backfight. So here guys, as you can see, I have 145k blue bank note galing kay backfight. So galing din po to sa mga invites ko and sa paggawa ng task kasi you can see meron tayong 144 pesos. And before, naka-withdraw tayo also ng 200 and 270 pesos. So now guys, I will teach you how to claim the 270 blank note galing kay admin, isa sa admin dito sa blank note. Sa backfight, I mean. So, ayun guys, you just need to click this red blank banknote. Ayan, yung red banknote. I-click lang natin yan. And as you can see, may makikita kayong gift sa taas, yung gift sign dyan. I-click lang po natin yan. And then after that, after natin mag-click, we just need to copy this link sa baba, yung nasa baba ng when adding a friend, please provide the following information for verification. So you need to copy this. Yan, yung backfight 5.1. Di naman kasi siya link guys eh. So you just need to copy that. Then after that is you need to open this Facebook. Yan. Tapos, aantayin nyo na lang po na i-accept kayo ni Tommy Assist. Pero kung hindi nyo naman kayo napansin agad, meron din po silang isang account. You just need to search Hamji, then ayan yung account niya, then i-add nyo lang. Then, kapag in-accept kayo, message nyo lang yung information. Yung profile nyo, at saka yung screenshot nung kukunin nyo na 270. Tapos yung sinasabi ko sa inyong message na ikakopy nyo, isend nyo din yun. Then, maya-maya, magre-reply niyan si Hamji para isend yung reward mo na 270. So, ayan guys, nakuha ko na yung 270. So, i-claim na natin. So, ayun nga, congratulations, nakuha na natin yung 270k. So, check natin kung dumating. So, as you can see guys, 144 lang yun kanina. So, ayan, dumagdag na, 440 na lang. So, ayan lang guys. Hopefully na nakatulong sa inyo yung tutorial ko how to get the 270 blue bank note. And sa mga di pa nakapag-download, mag-download na kayo. Ayan po, ang aking code, ilalagay ko lang. So, good luck guys!